Guys, that's fireworks right now. It's crazy. Okay, crazy. See ya. Just heard it. Pretty loud. Ear banging. Yeah. How cool that is. That is so cool. That is awesome. Oh! Oh! These are the boring fireworks. The dookies. Ooh, shit. On Facebook Live, huh? So, I don't know why, but my mom was doing Facebook Live, so let her do it. Live, huh? Look, my mom doing Facebook. Damn, hot damn. See this? That is supposed to... I low-key don't like to use it because what they did about the Hispanic people, fuck them. I hope they die. But I only like because we live right in front of Paramount. So that's lovely. So we get fireworks. No sabemos todavía. Like these fireworks are the booty fireworks. No one loves these. These are the showery one. I love this one. Personally, it's perfect. Sounds nice. It's nice. Do it again. Yeah, that sounds nice. It sounds like sparks. Isn't it made like gunpowder? Shit like that? Probably, I don't know. But that is cool. Yeah, I'm gonna post this on TikTok, whatever. But this should be good. Okay. Oh, here goes. You can't even see anything. That's very unfortunate for you guys. Oh, there we go. You saw it, you guys. There. Woo! Damn! Woo! Damn! It's echoing the whole street. The USA colors. I don't know if they're white though. It's just red. Woo! It's spreading. It's spreading like wildfire. Damn! Wildfire. Really just wildfire. Yeah, I don't think you guys can hear my voice. Oh. Okay. Cool. The finale is so good. It's so loud. Like, I heard the fireworks from all the way from my house, which is all the way there. Like, down to them. Which is absolutely like a shower. You guys can't even see it because it's still going. It's really, really low, though. So, yeah. It's really low. So, it's been 3 minutes. It just started too, so they last like 7 minutes, I believe. I think they're gonna do one tomorrow, if I'm sure. I don't know, but go subscribe, down, hit that like button if you like this video. Still going on. I know again. So, my bad if you can't hear my voice. It's because the fireworks are pretty loud. So, I like them so much. But they're loud. They're like really loud. So, here's my camera. Yeah, right here. Damn! Woo! Woo! Look at those. You can't even see it with 1.5. It looks so beautiful. It's like dimmer with the phone. Is that the end? Took a while. Sounds like gunshots, but I'm gonna probably have ear loss. Damn. It gets loud as fuck. Every time. I didn't not. Ooh. Ah, it got silent for a bit. That's lovely. Wow, look at they go. Oh no. Oh no. Oh! These are the big ones, I believe. Whoa! Wow! That is crazy. Oh, that ship. I think that's it, yeah. Oh, that was good. I loved it. It's good. It was good. It was like, I'll tell you guys that. It looked way dimmer though. It looked way dimmer here than here. So, oh, I heard more. Oh, we're going. Hey, I'm hearing them from here. I'm hearing one from here, there. It's okay. Lovely. I think that you're just gonna hear them because I don't see anything. Look at that smoke. Damn. I'm hearing more over here. Thank you guys for watching the video. Now, I hope you loved it. You see it and hold on. Like, dude, it was crazy. ¿Va a ser mañana?
Mañana otra vez.
Okay, so tomorrow I'll upload you guys. Tomorrow they're gonna do the same thing, but I think it'll be faster, I believe. So I hope you guys love the video. I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. Peace.